In this video, I am going to show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in one human. For this, you need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Basic checks. Number 1. Restart. A simple restart of your system, PC and console can often resolve temporary glitches. Number 2. Physical connection. Make sure your controller is securely plugged into the USB port or properly connected via Bluetooth wireless. Number 3. Batteries. For wireless controllers, ensure fresh batteries are installed. Try turning the controller on and off to see if it's light up. Software checks. Number 4. Updates driver PC. Updated drivers can cause compatibility issues. Update your controller drivers following the instructions for your specific controller and operating system. Number 5. Steam input PC if applicable. If playing one summon on Steam, ensure Steam input is enabled for your controller. You can find this option in Steam settings. In controller. The next step is game settings. Check one summons in game setting to verify controller support is enabled. Some games require manual configuration. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.